In this video, I will show you how to insert an image in an element in Canva. So to do this, open up Canva and in your design, go to elements in the left section right here. And then you want to filter by frames. So just go and click on frame right there. Or what you can also do is search for something such as phone and then filter by frames. Now here you have a bunch of frames you can use. For example, I'll click on this one, but you can really select any frame that you want as long as it's in the frames section right here. So I'll also just add a different one to show you that it works for multiple. So after having your frame in the design, go to uploads and just select the image that you want to use and then just hover it over the frame. So this specific one has multiple sections. So for example, I'll just do it like that. And then for example, for the phone, I can just upload this one and now you can see it is in there and I can move it around in the frame. So that's how to insert an image in an element in Canva. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.